सर, आपको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आप स्वस्थ रहें और हम सब पे आपका आशीष बना रहे।
Many, many returns of the day to the visionary leader.
ना आसमान से टपकाए गए हो, ना ऊपर से गिराए गए हो। आजकल कहाँ मिलते हैं आप जैसे लोग, आप तो ऑर्डर पर बनाए गए हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे त्यागी सर।
I'm so proud to tell you that it's been always a great pleasure working with you, Tyagi sir. You are such a great leader. Today is your birthday. May God bless you, longer and healthier life ahead. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, sir.
Today is a very special day for the entire CSC family, sir. So we have always someone with us who always listen to us, guide us, always motivate us, and the problems would not have been so simple if you had never given us the right components to overcome them. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, sir. God bless you, happiness and a healthy life forever. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Tyagi sir. Wishing you all the best. Many happy returns of the day, sir. We look forward for your well-being and great health.
विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे सर। आपको जन्मदिन का बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आप हमारे सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन हैं। आपने रूरल एंटरप्राइज को रीडिफाइन किया है। थैंक यू सर।
With this, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday, sir. We wish you a healthy life, sir, a long life, so that you always be there to guide us, and definitely will make you proud, because what we are today, you made us, and you will never regret that, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Happy birthday once again, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. I wish you a long and successful career. In addition to that, I also wish you a long and fulfilling life filled with joy and happiness. You are the person who is frankly esteemed. You party with us and you motivate us in a positive manner. Happy birthday, sir.
Dear Tyagi sir, wishing you a very happy birthday today, and we wish you a warm greeting from all our VLE community. आप हमारे लिए एक गुरु, एक मेंटर के समान हैं, और हम सभी VLEs के लिए VLEs की आत्मा के समान हैं. You are like a soul of our VLE. CSC is the brainchild of you, and all VLEs are.
This is for our leader who understands each and every individual, his capacity, capability, and who can see ahead and look at the vision. Sri Dinesh Kumar Tyagi ji, we wish you many happy returns of the day. We wish you health, happiness and success. Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful birthday, sir. You are a very special person, and you deserve all the happiness life can give you. And very, very thanks from all the FI team for your kind support, guidance, and mentor us. And once again, wish you very, very happy birthday from all the FI team. Thank you very much, sir.
ये तो रस्में जहाँ हैं जो अदा होती हैं, वरना सूरज की कहाँ सालगिरह होती है। सर, आपके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर CSC हरियाणा टीम और हरियाणा के समस्त VLU की ओर से सर ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। सर, आप स्वस्थ रहें, खुश रहें और हमेशा अपना आशीर्वाद हमारे पे बनाए रखें। सर, बहुत सारी बधाई सर।
सर, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और हम हमेशा आपके मार्गदर्शन में ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहें। थैंक यू सर।
सर, मैं और सार्थक की और अपनी टीम के साथ में हम आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हमारी भगवान से प्रार्थना रहेगी कि आपका मार्गदर्शन हमें इसी तरह से मिलता रहे।
विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे सर।
Respected Tyagi sir, we all at Rajasthan wish you a very happy birthday and a long and healthy life ahead. Thank you.
You let us dream big. You guide us when we falter. You're not only a great leader, but an absolutely great human being also. On your birthday, I sincerely wish the best of health and the best of times ahead for you, sir. Happy birthday again, sir.
Wishing you many many happy returns of the day to our beloved Dinesh Tyagi sir. Your passion and dedication always inspire us in our life to perform best. wishing you happy, prosperous and healthy life ahead.
Hello Tyagi sir, wishing you a very very happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सर।
नमस्ते सर, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। और अब जैसे हमें लाखों CSCs एम्प्लॉयज़ को हमेशा प्रेरित करके आए हैं, वैसे ही हमेशा प्रेरित करते रहें। आप स्वस्थ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें। वंस अगेन many happy returns of the day sir from the entire team Odisha CSCS.
Good morning, sir. On behalf of all VLEs, district managers, district coordinators, and state employees from Tripura, I wish you a very happy birthday. We wish and pray for your good and healthy life. Thank you, sir.
डिजिटल इंडिया में अपनी अहम भूमिका निभाने वाले लाखों VLEs के प्रेरणा स्रोत आदरणीय डॉक्टर दिनेश त्यागी सर को CSC मध्य प्रदेश टीम की ओर से और मेरी ओर से जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Sir, happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, and this happy birthday to a truly great mentor and role model of mine. Sir, thank you for being my guiding light in my life. Your special day is the perfect opportunity for me to thank you for inspiring and supporting me through this passage of life as wonderfully as you do. Sir, once again, thank you and wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir, from the depth of my heart. I know you are a great leader in the world and a best mentor. You are a saint for whole CSC ecosystem. I wish you a many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
रिस्पेक्टेड त्यागी सर, हिमाचल CSC टीम की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हम ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपका मार्गदर्शन और आशीर्वाद ताउम्र हम पर इसी तरह बना रहे। धन्यवाद।
Respected sir, you have made the CSCs truly the social change agents. I am fortunate to get the chance to work under you. Wishing you a many happy returns of the most important day of your life. Happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday today. Have a wonderful day today from Team Maharashtra.
आदरणीय सर को जन्मदिन का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। ईश्वर आपको स्वस्थ एवं दीर्घायु रखेगा ताकि हम लोगों पर आपका आशीर्वाद एवं मार्गदर्शन सदैव बना रहे।
Respected Tyagi sir, we wish you a very happy birthday and pray for your wellness and health. We are extremely thankful for your kindness and support. You are lighthouse of our journey. Thank you for being our mentor and guide.
Happy birthday, sir. Thank you for being an inspiration, a mentor and a leader for all of us. We pray for your good health and we hope to receive your guidance in years to come.
Wish you happy birthday, Tyagi sir. And if change is a person and if somebody has to inspire the change, you are the change and inspiration for the change.
On this auspicious day of 1st of October, we, Team Uttar Pradesh, wishes our MD, Dr. Dinesh Tyagi sir, a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir!